Hello and welcome. Today we have a look at the Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 2S and we see if it's any good. We're gonna unbox this power bank, and before that I just wanna show you that it says it's 10,000 milliampere hours, and that's really high, but it's actually not at 5 volts, it's lower, so it's a bit of marketing there, but still it's a powerful power bank. I'm just showing you all the sides. There is a security feature here. You can remove that, grate it there and go to the website and check that your unit is original. You should make sure you get an original one. Don't get a fake one, because the fake ones could be dangerous. This is still a lithium battery, so you have to be careful with it. Don't damage it. Don't do anything that you wouldn't do to a normal lithium battery. It can charge 2 devices at the same time with a pretty high speed. And let's open the box. This is a bit embarrassing here. Eventually I get it open. Okay, so removing the contents of the box, it's not so easy. You have to be careful. This is not a paid review or unboxing. This is just my opinion of the thing, and let's have a look. Okay, the contents of the box. You have a small instruction guide. We'll have a look at this later, and it's pretty standard, nothing special here. A few languages, details about the security feature, but mostly it's just a few pages in different languages. Whenever you want to read more about it, just pause the video and read at that frame. Let's continue with what's more important in here. Okay, the first thing we see, there is some kind of flap, and I had to open it. There is the USB cable, micro USB, really short, and it's pretty good like this. So this is to charge the device, but you can also use this if you reverse it to charge your phone with if you have a phone with micro USB. And let's take out the power bank. This is the silver version, so I'm trying to remove it from the box without too much trouble. So that's it. That's the power bank. It's flat, not very thick, and it has the embossed Mi logo here. That's a good sign. I know this for sure because I got it from your own official store, so this is original 100%. So if you want to check with yours, look at these inscriptions, and this is how you should see the power bank when it's genuine from the manufacturer. There you reveal the 2 ports for charging, and there is the charging micro USB port for the power bank itself, the 4 LEDs, and the button that is not a power button. This button just it's a status indicator. You press it and it tells you how much charge left is in the battery. So when you store it, you should keep it at half, so 2 LEDs. This is how they send it. So first thing to do, you would now, if you're interested, just read the manual before buying it. If you want to see if it's going to charge your device, it can charge at different voltages, and basically it's 10,000 milliampere hours, but at the voltage of the cell. Anyway, this is the video. I'm using this power bank, and I will make another video, or I will write in the comments how I feel about this power bank. So far I've been using it for a few months, and it's pretty good. The best part is that you can charge 2 devices. If you get one of these power banks, just get the one where you charge 2 devices. It's gonna be really useful sometime, and it holds a good charge, and you can I can charge my phone a few times with this easily, no problem, even the tablet at the same time. So this is a preview of what's coming. It's one of the videos how to use this power bank with something else that you should subscribe to watch it. So until next time, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to our channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.